head.
Mr. Key.
You just show
Now
his
we're
head
gonna
down.
go walking up the stairs and coming down again, okay? Now you're gonna come down.
Mr. Keycat, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Say goodbye, Mr. Keycat. Don't say goodbye. Look,
Now we're gonna do his walking.
Okay, this is funny.
He's running away.
Where'd he go? Oh, shoot.
My dog, come here.
Where is he?
Quickly, come here.
Where is
No,
he?
just come here.
Push your little ass. Puppy! I'm taking a video here.
You record that.
Yeah, I see it right now. That's his hiding place. And here's me trying to get him. Trying to keep him away.
No, you're going to get it.
How are we going to get him, B? Master?
The horse. The horse, that's him.
Oh, yes.
Can't get there. The door.
He can't get in there because there. And he can't get in the door because the door's closed. There he goes. Oh no, we didn't secure that place. Shoot.
I can't see the light.
Here, turn it. Oh crap, it's all dark in here. Wait, oh I just turned the light on. Alright, where's the flashlight? Can I pause
Would
it?
this mystery be solved? Oh, Keycat walking and running.
We'll be back.